Okay, so very good afternoon to everybody, all our friends from the press who are here today. This is our final press briefing before we get into counting. Uh, Tomorrow we will be having the counting across the whole country, as you all know, the 4th of June. Counting will start at 8 o'clock, and we are, as you can see today, we are in full swing preparation, putting in place everything. So I will just share some details with you regarding the counting. Uh, First of all, that we are one parliamentary constituency with 40 assembly segments, which are distributed across 11 districts. So our observers have come. All the observers from Election Commission of India have arrived, and we have 16 observers for all the districts. So there are five observers for Aizawl district, two for Lunglei, and one each in the other districts. So in the press note, you will get the details of all the observers along with their phone numbers. So you can publicize this, and people and agents are encouraged that if they have any issues, they can directly contact the observer also. Now I come to the counting staff, the counting officials. We have counting supervisor, counting assistant, and micro observers. So all of them have been trained. Two times their training has been done. The first was done on 14th and 15th of May, and the second one was done last week only. So they are all prepared and they are ready. We have done the randomization of the counting officials. The first one was done few weeks back, and the second one was done yesterday evening in the presence of all the five observers. So now our count, the second randomization means that all the counting staff has been allotted to a particular assembly segment. And tomorrow at 5 a.m. in the morning, we will be doing the final randomization, in which the counting staff will be assigned to particular table. So this will be done at 5 a.m. in the morning, and then they will proceed to their respective counting halls to get the process started. Counting center locations, I will just like to elaborate. We have 12 counting halls. In assembly annexi basement 1, we have Tuiwal and North 1. In assembly annexi basement 2, we have South 2 and South 3. In Government Aizawl College, room number 506, we have Aizawl West 3. And in Government Aizawl College, room number 505, we have Aizawl South 1. So these six locations will be outside of our DC office complex. The other six are located within our DC office complex, on the first floor, second floor, third floor, like that. And the strong room for each of them is located right next to the counting hall. So there will be minimal movement of the EVM. It will be, between 20 meters to 50 meters only. So this is for the counting center locations. Now at all the three locations, we have created a media center for which we had a meeting before, and you are requested to have a look there. If you need anything, if you feel something is missing, we can still put it in today. Uh, we are also making an interview booth kind of thing, so that you can interview the winning candidate. That will be in this office itself. So we'll create that. And as per the ECI's instructions, all the arrangements at counting centers have been made. For example, the wire meshing, the power backup, internet backup, CCTV cameras, all that has been put in place. And now for each counting hall, we have a separate ARO. So AROs are they are setting up their respective rooms and checking that everything is there in place. For the counting officials, we will have they are to report to in the morning, to report to us at 6:30 a.m. in the morning, so that we are ready and we can start counting by 8 o'clock. We will have all arrangements for them in terms of food, water, toilets, all those things. Basic arrangements will be made. Uh, Coming to security arrangement, so 100-meter zone around the counting center will be pedestrian zone. So there will be no parking of vehicles in our parking space. So right from the main street till our office, it will be all pedestrian zone. There will be executive magistrate who will be put on duty to ensure that person is coming who has identity card, and that will be checked, and accordingly only we will allow those agents to come. So a three-tier cordon will be placed from the security point of view. So the innermost cordon is the CAPF, that is the Central Armed Police Force. Then after that will be the SAPF, that is our State Armed Police Force, and the third cordon will be the district police. So our police and our SP has made a detailed arrangement for that, and they will be here in the morning before we start counting. And now I come to postal ballots and ETPBMS. So we expect about 5,000 to 5,500 postal ballots which will have to be counted. So this includes our home voting, our ETPBMS, all kinds of postal ballot. So for that, in the ground floor of our office, we have created two halls, one for the scanning of the ETPBMS and second for the postal ballot counting. So each of them will have 20 tables. So we expect that it will conclude on time because number of tables is very high, and there also counting agents are allowed to come and see the process, and I will myself be also be uh, present in this complex, also looking after the postal ballot. Our two ADCs will be also supervising the entire thing at the Annexi and the GSC. And finally, I come to the process of compilation across all the districts. So the final result will be declared from here, from Aizawl district. Uh, Across all the 40 ACs, we have AROs for each counting center. So each of those AROs will declare their result and send to us, and we will compile it and then declare the final result. So it's my request for all of you to be present when we are declaring the final result, so that we can give a good boost and energy to the entire election process, because that will be the final step of the entire process that we have been working on for the last almost 2.5 months. So that's mainly what all I have to cover. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. No questions?
Ma'am, regarding the media center,
Is there any expectation about it when we have a timing about the results?
So we have three rounds of EVM, and then I said about 5,000 postal ballot, which will be counted on 20 tables. So it comes to about 250 votes to be counted on one table. See, the result we get to know by 11, 12 maximum, but the paperwork takes time. We have to fill up so many forms, do data entry on the software, all that. That part takes a little bit of time. But rough idea you will have very soon.
so ma'am, like in the number 7 point, unlike the earlier election, there will be separate parking hall. So does it mean that the postal ballots and all these things will be done here only?
Yes, so postal ballot for the whole state will be counted here
Yeah, only.
in Aizawl only.
I mean,
So
in the
in the ground floor of the DC office. You can go and have a look at it now. We have created two halls there, where the cars are parked. There, that place.
Now, about the police possible enough dashboard, who's
Yes.
responsible for that?
See, we had written to ECI a couple of times to try and get them. I had myself written a couple of times, but it seems that the rules are such right now that they have not allowed for postal ballot. In the earlier elections, the system was that we send them and then they post it back to us, but that was not allowed by ECI this time. So hopefully next time they will do something about it.
uh, 8 o'clock start working will start. So
Yes.
means like all the postal ballot will be counted here.
Yes.
So in
Yeah.
other streets,
Yeah.
on 8 o'clock,
Yes.
EVM
EVM will
start.
start. Yes.
So that means like other district will be a bit ahead.
Yes, because usually the postal ballot takes time.
Yes.
That is manual
So that
counting.
means like they start
Yes.
from 8 o'clock.
They'll
So
start
we
at
with
8.
the postal ballot.
We will start with postal ballot. Yeah.
Means they will wait.
Yes.
So how do you get
But
update?
but that doesn't matter because ultimately result has to be given here only. We have to compile even if one AC is little behind. We have to wait for them. We cannot give result final result till